Hi and nice to see you at Garfin's Creation. Let's make some stuffed mushroom curry today. Recipe is in the description box below. We'll start by cleaning the mushrooms. These are approximate 150 grams of button mushrooms. You may clean the mushroom however you want to, but this is the way how I like to clean it. I try and remove all the stained parts out. You can also clean this by rubbing some flour over it and then washing it. To stuff the mushrooms, I will need to get the stalk out of it. Just twist a little bit and then pull it out. I also like to remove the gills out of it. That is the black part which is hidden inside. I'm using the back end of a spoon and gently turn it round and get those things out. If you prefer keeping them, there is no problem. But I'm somehow not comfortable in consuming those gills. Continue cleaning all the mushrooms in the same way and then do wash it once more. This looks pretty clean to me. I will also be using the stalk of the mushrooms. Now let's make the mushroom filling. This is pretty simple. Just take 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, 2 cheese cubes which are grated, and a small green chilli finely chopped. Just mix it well and our cheesy filling is ready. We will stuff the mushrooms with this filling. Just put a little amount of it inside the cap and press it with your fingers so that it doesn't come out while frying. We will fill all the mushrooms with the filling and keep it ready. This cheesy filling is very delicious and you can use it as a filling for other food items too. After filling the mushrooms, we will be making a batter to coat these so that they can be fried well. Once this is done, now let's make the batter. I'm using half a cup of besan, gram flour, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a little salt, and using some water, I'll make a thick batter out of this. These are going to be like stuffed mushroom pakoras. We will need to keep the batter a bit thick as the cheese filling should not come out while they are being fried. Heat some vegetable oil in a kadai to deep fry the mushrooms. I have taken some besan powder here and I'll just roll the mushrooms into it so that the next batter gets stick to it and does not peel off while frying. You will also ensure the filling does not come out. Next, dip the mushroom into the besan batter, coat it well, and then put it into the hot oil. It's really important to coat the mushrooms well with the batter, as the cheese filling may ooze out while they are being fried. I have kept the flame on medium and now I'll fry them till they are nice and golden brown from both sides. Flip them and continue frying them on the other sides as well. The mushrooms will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get a nice golden brown. These look well fried. Take them off and continue frying the rest of it. Fry the stalks of the mushrooms too. Just coat it into the batter and put it into the oil. Mushrooms are all fried. Now let's make the gravy. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon Sauf or Badi, half a teaspoon Kalonji and half a tablespoon of grated ginger. We will add the ginger once the jeera starts spluttering. Add the ginger and mix it well. Add 1 green chilli finely chopped and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Just fry these for a few seconds. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. This will prevent the spices from burning. To this, I'll be adding half a teaspoon Amchur powder and 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. I have also taken 1 small potato which is boiled and smashed. Add these two also into the gravy and keep smashing it. The boiled potato will add flavor and thickness to the gravy. As you keep stirring and cooking, this will become a little bit thicker. You will be adding more water in some time. The spices are all cooked now. To this, I'll be adding 1 cup of water. Mix this well. Now I'll be adding salt to this as per taste. Rinse the batter bowl with some water and add this too into the gravy. This will now make the gravy a little thicker and also balance the flavor. Continue cooking this gravy till you get a first boil, and then we'll add the fried mushrooms into it. I am not adding all the mushrooms into it. I'll be keeping some for the plating too. While you make it at home, you can add all the mushrooms into it, and you can always adjust the water quantity if you feel your gravy is getting a bit dry. Our stuffed mushroom curry is ready. So now let's plate it. Hope you'll be trying this delicious mushroom recipe soon. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Until we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.